एक इन्वेस्टमेंट जिसे बोलते हैं ना, इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑन टीम, गो टू प्रीमियम बी स्कूल, गेट गुड गाइस। बोलेंगे नहीं लाना है सर, आप हमको बंदा दे दोगे, हम उसके पीछे 1 साल मेहनत करेंगे, बाय द टाइम ही इज रेडी ही विल मूव टू सम अदर ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस।
Why do you think this is happening?
Survival of the fittest,
Hmm.
because everyone is running, everyone is running, and opportunities are more. India is growing. Another big reason is India is growing. As I said कि पहले क्या था कि you had only some 10-15 big companies. Now India is growing, the economy is growing in India, there are huge opportunities, demand and supply I would say. पहले आप देखो कि 90% of the people, educated people, want to travel outside. 15 years back even I wanted to travel outside. Today I see that I am paid much better in India rather than what I would have got outside. So I think the opportunities are there in India. So because of more opportunity, India is growing. Let me tell you, India has a very good future, and because of that, the demand and supply, the talent, whatever you say, one side we say that jobs नहीं मिल रहे हैं, but other side let me tell you, talent की आज भी इंडिया में कमी है, because you really don't get the right talent, right people for the job. So it is a mix of both, I would say. India is growing. There are a lot of opportunities today. So every person has multiple opportunities in his hand. So he doesn't have the patience. He want to grow overnight.
On an interesting आपने पॉइंट मेंशन किया कि वी स्टिल देयर स्टिल अ लॉट ऑफ टैलेंट अनअवेलेबल या जो मिसिंग है ना, जो शायद स्टिल जॉब्स नहीं भी हैं बट फिर भी टैलेंट भी अवेलेबल नहीं है. व्हाई in also as someone who has interviewed people who also understands the landscape where people are getting recruited from, right? आपने लोगों को इंटरव्यू किया है, वो लैंडस्केप को समझते हो कि ये सारे इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं जो आपके पास भी एज मार्केट है कि हम अच्छा टैलेंट यहाँ से लेके आ सकते हैं. फ्रॉम अ एजुकेशन इंडस्ट्री perspective, where do you think things are going wrong that we don't have adequate talent?
I will not say that things are going wrong. I would not say that. The India in last 10 years has grown so fast. The opportunities has come so fast that uh, people without even getting mature to the job are being moved up. So, and as I said, and even we don't have the patience. So, what, for example, uh, a new leader feels that it is better to take a 5 year experienced guy rather than grooming a person, because earlier you know that if you are grooming him, see, if you see Tata, Task, and all, people start there as a management trainee and retire as a director. But today you don't know. And I see this push from my team, to be honest, today. When I said go to a premium school, get the good guys, they said, नहीं करेंगे सर, 1 साल में वो चला जाएगा, मैं इतनी मेहनत करूंगा, चला जाएगा. So, because the opportunities are there in India. So what happens? 5 years down the line, when you need a senior person moves out, and if you want his replacement, then there is a problem, because you are not ready to invest on a person who is having just 2 or 3 years of experience at the same, because you don't find that capabilities. Ultimately, it is a business. It is a billion-dollar business. So how do you trust someone at the time you have seen him, until the time he has tested waters? So हो क्या रहा है? You will see 5 years a person has done 3 jobs, and it is not his fault. उसको तो 30% 40% इंक्रीमेंट मिल रहा है, he is moving up. So it is none of, see, the environment की गलती है, ये किसी की गलती नहीं है. I would not blame the leaders, I would not blame the students, because India is moving fast. Demand and supply talent की है, and that is the reason that we are ready to take a person at a higher salary even with the 2 years of experience. So what I'm trying to say is कि that nurturing a candidate is now missing, because as I say, I also get this pushback from my team when I say go to a premium B school, get good guys. बोलेंगे नहीं लाना है सर, आप हमको बंदा दे दोगे, हम उसके पीछे 1 साल मेहनत करेंगे, by the time he is ready to take the responsibilities, he will move to some other organizations. Now that is unfair, and that is where then हमको भी लगता है यार कि, because see, first 2 years is an investment. It is an investment. After investment, if someone moves out, so this is something really, and that is the reason I said that now talent is missing, because there is no such person whom you say that he is now groomed, जिसे कहते हैं ना हमको, हमने उसको 3 साल में we have tested the water and now he is ready to take the larger responsibilities, वो नहीं हो रहा है. So it is no one's fault. It is actually a good thing for India that India में opportunities आ रही है, economy is growing, so it is good thing also.
नहीं, मेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ सेंस दैट वे एंड से करेक्टिव एक्शन जैसे आपने मेजर किया और वे अराउंड इट कुड बी वही आई डोंट नो इनिशियली एस्टैब्लिशिंग दैट ट्रस्ट और हैविंग दैट कॉन्वर्जेशन की बट बट यू आल्सो वो कॉन्वर्जेशन भी बड़ा मुश्किल होगा से एज समवन अगर मैं आज से 2 साल के बाद एक बी स्कूल से ग्रेजुएट कर रहा हूँ मैं चाहता हूँ कि मेरे पे इन्वेस्टमेंट हो और अगर मैं वो शायद कॉन्वर्जेशन डू यू थिंक देयर स्कोप फॉर दैट कॉन्वर्जेशन टू हैपन
Yes,
कि मैं ये
yes.
चाहता हूँ दिस इज द जर्नी आई सी आई वांट टू ग्रो एंड प्लीज इन्वेस्ट और समथिंग लाइक दैट
See, I'll tell you, there are certain good organizations. Uh, I have worked also in couple of such organizations where when you take a new management trainee from a good school, or forget, I don't want to use the word management trainee. When you see a bright candidate, you give him a future. You give him a 5 years, 6 years, 10 years down the line future. So that communication has started happening. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट, बट क्या होता है क्योंकि टैलेंट की कमी है, तो सम अदर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विल पिक हिम अप, एंड देन ही इज नॉट गॉड ना, ही इज अल्टीमेटली ह्यूमन. ही विल से कि भाई आई एम गेटिंग ए 50% हाइक, आई विल मूव. So and today's generation then sees that short term benefits, which is fine. matlab that's part of life. But now organizations when they take, I would not use a word management training or a B school. I would say when you see a talent, you want to invest on him. Number one, and after investing, you also want to show him a roadmap. That see, if you are here for next 5 years, this is the journey. But in the process some people stay, some people don't stay, so that's part of it, we can't help it.
But that's the way to go about it. At least if there's a roadmap, you have more opportunities to assess that this guy knows that this is the roadmap, but you sense कि ये वहाँ जाना चाह रहा है या नहीं जाना चाह रहा. तो इन एज आपने पहले वो स्टेक होल्डर्स वाली बात करी कि सबसे एक इंडिविजुअल डिस्कशन हो, तो आई थिंक ये इंडिविजुअल डिस्कशन से आपको पर्सपेक्टिव थोड़ा सा मिल जाता है दैट इस लाइंस पे ये बंदा सोच रहा है या शायद ये वो रोड मैप मीट करेगा नहीं करेगा ना करे असली में या करे डजंट डजंट मैटर बिकॉज यू ट्राइड राइट what best you can do then if someone sees value in some other thing that's also okay because as हमने ये तो acknowledge कर ही दिया that it's nobody's fault, it's just the environment the way it is and it's essentially good कि इतनी सारी opportunity है.